Hi there, I'm Birgit O'Connor, and welcome to my studio. Now, for this particular lesson, we're going to do a little blue butterfly, and we're going to keep it very simple. You can either download the line drawing in the link below, or what you could do is just freehand it and make up your own wings. They don't have to be perfect. It really depends on whatever you want to do. But the goal here is actually learning about putting water in the wings and then putting the color in the water on the wings and letting it move. And you can see that this is not just one tone. We have a little tiny bit of a highlight in here. We're going to keep it really simple and fun. And this is designed for kids, but beginners as well will really enjoy this. So let's get started and have some fun. Now, the goal of this lesson is to keep our butterfly really simple and lots of fun. And as you know, butterflies come in all sorts of colors. So you can choose any color you want. So what we'll be doing is working with water, color, and transparency. So go ahead, transfer your line drawing onto watercolor paper, and if you like, just use an outline. Or if you want more detail or veins in the wings, use a micron pen or a permanent Sharpie marker. Now you can use a brush, but your lines will probably be bigger. And if you decide that's what you want to do, I would go ahead and paint the wings first and then add your details. Then using your watercolor brush, fill the inside of the wings with clean water. We'll want the inside of the pencil lines to be really wet, just like a puddle. Then choose the color that you want and then go along the pencil line and let it spill into the clean water. And if it's not moving, you need a little more water on the surface. And if you notice those little white areas in the middle of the wings, those are areas that I missed and I didn't get wet. Now, if you like it that way, you can leave it, but I'm going to go ahead and try to fill those in. Then using my brush, I'll take the excess water inside the wings and bring it right up to the pencil line. Then for any of those areas that turn in, I'm just going to use a stroke of color. Then to help even out the surface and get that color to move, I'll lift and tilt my paper. And as I'm looking at this, I like the variation in color. And I think it's going to help me give the impression of light shimmering on the wings. Then before we do anything else, I'm going to go ahead and let this dry. Then using a small brush, let's go ahead and outline those wings. Now, if you're making a green or purple butterfly, you may decide not to outline it. You can just fill the entire shape with that particular color. Just continue to work your way around the wings and then move on to the other side and do exactly the same thing. And to make it more interesting, vary the size of the outline. Then using a small brush and the same black color, go ahead and fill in the body. Next, we need to put on the antennas, and you can use a brush, or to make it easier, use a permanent Sharpie marker. Make them both the same length, and then at the very end, put a little dot. Now looking at this, we could call it done, or if you think you need more color, you can go ahead and add it. Then just make sure that everything's dry, and then reapply the same color on top. And now you have a beautiful painting of a very simple butterfly. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed yourself and that you now have a better understanding of how watercolor works. And until next time, have fun and happy painting.